Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Wake&Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to verify your Skrill account. Verifying your Skrill account helps unlock higher transaction limits, added security, and access to full feature. In order to do so, launch open the Skrill application and log into your account using your email and password. After you are logged in, go ahead and click on your profile icon at the top left corner. From your profile page, click on Verification and Features. Under Verifications and Features, click on Verify. Now, click on the I agree button to agree to the terms and conditions, and it will redirect you through the verification process. To start verification, make sure you already have a valid document, you find a well-lit surface, and the app may use the camera flash as well, and also be ready to take a selfie. After you have all of these requirements with you, click on Start. Now, select your country of check issue and then select the document type you are willing to provide. This will now click open your camera on your screen. Make sure to keep your documents in the center of the frame and capture the front and both backward part of your documents. Follow through the on-screen instructions. Make sure that the document you are trying to scan is not blurry. If you are asked for proof of address, select an accepted document, take a clear photo and scan and upload the photo. And finally, after uploading all the required documents, you'll be able to submit your application for verification. Skrill will then review the documents. This may take anywhere from minutes to a few days depending on the workload, and while waiting, avoid making changes to your profile details that might delay the review. Once the verification is complete, Skrill will send you a notification or email confirming that your account is verified. If approved, you will now have enhanced limits and full access to your account. So that is the process on how you can verify your Skrill account so that you can unlock higher transaction limits, have added security and access to full features. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.